Hello all, today we are going to learn how to install WordPress on Xaamp. The tutorial is presented by thinkandcode.com. Think and Code provides online training on WordPress, Drupal, PHP, MySQL via audio-video conferencing. You can contact me on my email at anibabbar@gmail.com or you can call me at 98124 or 9990561639. The office address is Think and Code, Sector 8, Rohini, New Delhi. Alright, so we are going to install WordPress on Xaamp. It is quite easy and it will not take more than 3 minutes to properly work out things. First of all, open wordpress.org. Just download the latest version of WordPress from here. I have one installed previously, so I don't need to download it again. I will be using the downloaded version, previous downloaded version. See, there I have the version which I have installed, which I have downloaded. If you're gonna download, you will be getting the same zip file. I have downloaded it previously, so I'm using the file again. Just copy the WordPress downloaded to Xaamp, then go to htdocs, then go to any of the folders. I have created one more folder out here by the name of training, then bash2, then paste it out here, the zip file, right click, extract. Here it has been extracted. Just open the just open your browser and write localhost, go to your path, see, this is the first screen that appears to while installing the WordPress on Xaamp. It says that the wp-config.php file is not there, so one needs to create a wp-config file, but one doesn't need to create it manually. It is basically a configuration file that is automatically entered when we press this create a configuration file button. We press that, we go to the next page. It says that we need to have these 5 things in order to go to the next page. We should have the name of the database, we should have the name of the username database, we should have the database password, we should have database host name and the table prefix. Alright, so the first thing it says is database name. So we need to create a database name, and it would be created by going into our phpMyAdmin folder. Just follow the link localhost/phpMyAdmin in your browser. From here, click on the databases, create a new database. You can put it out anything out here. I am writing out b2 bash2 WordPress training 1. Alright, WordPress first is installed here. Create. I have created a new database by the name of b2_wp1. This is the only thing which we need to create while installing a WordPress on localhost. Other things are all fixed and we just need to use the same again and again. Alright, after clicking on the let's go button, I have come across this screen. It asks the WordPress database name. The database name is the one which we have created just on the previous step. The username will be root, and every time we install WordPress or any other CMS on our Xaamp, and the password will be blank. Database host would always be localhost, and the table prefix you can use anything, and I'll be leaving it a default wp_. One more thing I wanted to tell you, that this configuration is not of the WordPress which we will be using. This username and password, it is taking off our localhost Xaamp. It is asking for the username and password of the localhost, not of the WordPress blog which would be installed. It would be asking about the WordPress username and password in the next step. Submit, run the install. Alright, it's been installed. What would be the site name? I added it to Think and Code. The username of the WordPress blog would be admin, and the password, it could be anything. I am writing admin in both of the cases to make it simple. Your email, and then the last thing, it is asking for the privacy. Do you want search engines to index this site, or yes or no? It depends on you. And I think it should be always clicked. And install WordPress, and the last thing. which we need to do. Alright, WordPress has been installed successfully in your Xaamp. Just you can log in out here. Just put your username, password, click on the login. WordPress is properly installed. You can visit your site. This is the installation, and you can go to the dashboard by using WP admin at the end. This will take you to the dashboard. This was all. This was a tutorial for installing WordPress on Xaamp on localhost. Stay tuned for other tutorials. Video tutorials will be coming soon, and you can go to my site thinkandcode.com for more tutorials, both videos and audios and text. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye bye.